Welcome to the UKBullion YouTube channel. Today we're looking at the 1-ounce Santa's Workshop coloured silver round from PAMP Swiss. This piece is struck in 999 fine silver, with a weight of 1 troy ounce. It has a diameter of 39 mm and weighs 31.10 grams. On the obverse you'll see Santa and his reindeer brought to life in vibrant colour. The reverse features a detailed Santa's Workshop scene showing elves preparing gifts at the North Pole. Each round is sealed in a capsule and comes in a premium gift box with a themed outer sleeve, ready to give as a Christmas gift. The packaging includes a magnetic closure box, making it ready to give as a Christmas gift. This release has a limited mintage of 5,000 pieces worldwide. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more bullion updates.